My name is Paul Beckman. I'm with DSP Concepts. We're an analog devices third party that specializes in embedded audio applications. DSP Concepts is an engineering services company, and we focus on embedded audio applications for SHARC and Blackfin processors. We have a kind of long-standing relationship with analog devices. We've been doing consulting for the past 5 years, and throughout that time, we've also had a consulting contract with analog devices. So we work closely with analog devices to help support their customers on audio and audio technology. I'll be showing AudioWeaver running on the SHARC processor today. This is a SHARC 371 board. This is developed in conjunction with Danville Signal, and I'll also show some algorithms running natively on the PC. So again, AudioWeaver is MATLAB based, so I'm going to switch to MATLAB and run some MATLAB scripts. So the first example I have running is an automatic gain control. The purpose of an automatic gain control is to keep the output level at a fixed desired level, independent of the level of the input signal. What you have here, you have the input meter showing you the output meter, and then there's also a volume control. So I can adjust the volume control. So this is the input volume, and as I turn this up, the output level stays about the same. So the AGC is kind of kicking in and attenuating the signal. The way AudioWeaver works is it uses dynamic instantiation. So the PC connects to it and sends down a sequence of commands to create the volume control, the level meters, the automatic gain control, and so forth. And so I can do this demo without having to recompile the executable. Everything happens dynamically. The board communicates to the PC over a USB interface, and the board is also USB bus powered, so you just plug it in and you're up and running. And this is a 10-band graphic equalizer, and then I can interact with it in real time just by moving the sliders here. So again, everything happens dynamically. Let me go ahead now, and I'm going to switch targets here. I'll stop the SHARC, and I'm going to switch to the PC. That's called a native mode. And now I can run that same graphic equalizer example, and now I'm running natively on the PC. Okay? You don't hear any audio because I have it actually connected to the board there, but the same code that you run on the SHARC processor can now be running on the PC. And that's kind of the cross-platform nature of AudioWeaver. What it allows you to do is do your algorithm prototyping and a large amount of development on the PC. And the PC is kind of a very friendly development environment. Unlimited MIPS, unlimited memory, high-speed interface to it. And once you have the algorithms created, you switch over to the SHARC, essentially recompile, do some optimization and some testing on the SHARC. And that cross-platform nature really speeds up development. SHARC processor is pretty much the leading audio processor out there. And so, it's finely tuned in terms of peripherals, processing memory for audio applications. And so it's easy to support customers with it because that's a process that they're asking for, or it's easy to recommend to customers.